Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and we'll see what's going on in your love life in this video. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation, and for the personal readings the details are given in the description box below. So let's see uh, what are energies of on your side, Cancerians. We have the Queen of Cups on your side. Okay. Let's see what is there on your person's side. So on your person's side, we have the Eight of Pentacles. The most likely outcome is the Lovers. So as far as you are concerned with the Queen of Cups, Cancerians, definitely you are thinking about opening up. As to you have a lot of emotions in a situation, but you are not totally opening up, or you've not totally opened up. You are thinking about investing. Should I invest in this relationship or not, or should I take it to another level or something like that? You are thinking about how to invest, or should I not in this relationship. We'll see what that is. As far as your person is concerned with the Eight of Pentacles, they are working really hard. Either they are busy with something else, or they are working hard on the building up the stability of this relationship slowly and slowly. The most likely outcome is the Lovers. So maybe it is a beautiful connection over here with the Lovers, or it can be a choice. We'll see what that is, because Lovers can be choices also. So let's clarify the Queen of Cups on your side, Cancerians. So with the Queen of Cups, we have the King of Swords, the Nine of Wands, and the Tower. Okay. Let's see, clarify this Eight of Pentacles. So for the Eight of Pentacles, we have the Five of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, and the Six of Cups. For the Lovers, let's clarify the Lovers. So for the Lovers, we have the Seven of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Three of Pentacles. So as far as you are concerned, for the Queen of Cups, we have the King of Swords, the Nine of Wands, and the Tower. So something here is there which is a little bit shaky in this relationship. There is something which is happening here in the relationship which is making you think twice as to what should I do. It's been a long time. Perhaps you're waiting for something and you are thinking logically, feeling a bit unrewarded sort of, and that is a little bit shaky for you. It's something unexpected for you. It's like you are feeling as if your emotions are not being acknowledged, or you are not feeling rewarded, or you're not getting the due rewards of your emotions, or something like that. And this is something which is uh, unexpected for you, and it is shaking up your emotions. It's like you're not feeling good about it, and it's unexpected, and that is why it's like you're feeling a little shaky over here. You really don't know what to do, what not to do. Why is this happening? You don't even know the reason. It's something like that. Why are you waiting? Why is this person behaving like this with you? Is something like that. And it is affecting you emotionally. As far as this Eight of Pentacles is concerned, on your person's side, we have the Five of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, and the Six of Cups. So this person definitely wants to open up emotionally. They are trying really hard to give up on their abandonment issues. That's what I feel. This person feels rejected and upset. They also have certain issues with them, but they do want happy times back, or maybe they want to reconcile with you. There is somebody here wants to open up, they want the happy times back, or it is a, maybe they want to reconcile with you because they feel abandoned, they feel left out, and they really want to open up, and that is what they are working hard on. Maybe it's not easy for this person to open up, it can be that also. Maybe they are working hard on that aspect of uh, opening up emotionally and reconcile with you, sort of. As far as this lovers is concerned, as the most likely outcome, we have the Seven of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Three of Pentacles. So what I feel here is this person is trying to balance something. Both of you perhaps are trying to balance this relationship in some way, shape or form. Investing in it, balance it. Maybe you people work together or something like that, or a teamwork type of thing. It's type of a collaboration. You are trying to collaborate with each other, trying to restore the balance in some way, shape or form. So what I feel is you are trying to deal with whatever is going on and trying to balance this relationship somehow, and investing in it also. Let's see what is the guidance here. Number 36 may be of some significance for you. Turn your heart light. Reflect on a time when you experienced love. So perhaps you really need to make your heart light whenever you felt that you were loved. Just, it's all about positive thinking. Just let go of the past and think positively. So Cancerians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.